I did it. At least that's what I would love to say. But unfortunately, that's not what's going to happen today. So let's talk about it. So, like I told you guys before, I am on a journey. For those who didn't know, I'm on a journey to doing the side splits or the straddle, whichever one you want to call it, by the end of this month. So far, it's been going pretty well. I'm nowhere where I need to be, but I've made some good progress in my flexibility. But I got some challengers now. First of all, one of my friends at work is challenging me to see which one of us can do the straddle first. And then I told my wife about it, and now she challenged me. So I got two people challenging me for the straddle, which is fine. I love a challenge. I live for challenges, so it's good. I can lose to my friend at work, but I can't lose to my wife. That's gonna be a. We don't want to give her the bragging rights. That's not gonna be good for me. It's not good for anybody's psyche. Anyway, here's where I am now. Here's where I was on top. You guys can see I'm so much better than I was before. But I'm still a long way from where I need to be, which is okay. So we'll see exactly where I am by the end of this month. Hopefully I can get there with some good effort. I'll be honest with you. I don't think I can get it by the end of the month, but I know I can get much closer than I am now. So I switched up the workouts. I'm doing the same workouts. I switched up how I do it. So instead of doing the 30-second holds, I went to reps, because what I realized is that reps allow you to do your max tension or max contraction multiple times. All right. Obviously, by the end you're probably dying out, but that's okay because you're maxing it out every single time. Every single rep that you try to go to your max. So I believe that reps are much better than the holds, and it's proven that way too. However, I've been using bands as well, and because of the resistance, I get sore a lot more. So instead of doing every day, which I used to do, now I'm going to do every other day. Okay, so I'm going to do Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, and then rest the other time, recover, and then continue. But I've been seeing some good improvements, and my speed too. Next week, you guys will see my speed progress. Hopefully that one dropped. Hopefully I am at 4.8. Well, who knows? We'll find out. We'll find out next week. But I'm excited, man. This is a good journey, and it's proven my theory is correct. By strengthening your stabilizers, your flexibility will improve. But you have to strengthen the right ones. So what I realized also is that there has to be a fine balance between the stabilizers. So we have the external rotators and we have the internal rotators of the hip. So those two have to balance. If the external rotators are much stronger than the internal rotators, you're still gonna be flexible. You're gonna have stability, but it's not gonna be the best, because it's better to have both joints be pulling with the same strength, so it can be actually stable and in the right place. So stability is one thing. Having the joint in the right place is another thing. Because if the joints are in the place, let's say this is your femur or your thigh bone, and they're in the hips, this is my hips, right? But your external rotators are pulling too much than your internal rotators, then you have this, although it's supposed to be like this. Or if you have your internal rotators pulling too much, it'll be like this instead of like this. So it's important to have both stabilizers strong, but also in balance. So that's one of the main things that I've learned during this journey. As I'm going, I'm constantly learning new things as I progress, and I'm excited, man, because this is going really well. My speed has improved. I don't know how much it's improved, but my overall speed definitely has improved. So we'll see exactly where I am next week. All right, so that's it. That's all I have for you guys for this update today. Again, this is where I am now. Soon I'll be flat on the ground, with my straddle, beating my wife and my friend at work. So especially my wife, that's what's most important. I can't lose my wife, guys. Right now she's ahead of me. she started ahead of me, but that's okay, because I'm still gonna beat her. So what she's doing is she's stretching. I'm strengthening my stabilizer. She's stretching, doing her regular stretch routine, and we're gonna see which one is better. So pray for me. All right, guys, that's it for today. That's the video I have for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, next week we will be doing the speed update. So I'm excited. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.